Welcome to the Ofen Lab in Wayne State University, Detroit. My name is Priya.
My name is Sadia.
And today we're going to talk about forgetting and amnesia.
First, what is amnesia?
Amnesia is a partial memory loss due to brain injury, trauma, or a mental disorder.
There are two types of amnesia: anterograde amnesia, not being able to make new memories, and retrograde amnesia, not being able to recall old memories.
Let's say you have a history exam and you have to read 20 pages about the world wars. You will read all the pages, picking the most important information, but you won't be able to remember everything you read word for word. This is called adaptive forgetting.
Basically, take out the unnecessary details and focus on what you need. This would be selective attention because you pick the most important information. Forgetting is an adaptive process because you put aside things that we feel is not crucial to our knowledge. So, is forgetting good or bad?
Well, going back to our history test example, if we remember every detail in the book, it's going to be an overload for our brain. We know what information we need and we filter out what we don't need. So yeah, in this situation, forgetting is a good thing. Well, what about items that we see every day? Do you think we're going to remember them?
Let's test it out.
Only one of these images of a penny is correct. Which one is it? Oftentimes, it is difficult for people to choose the correct penny. The correct penny was A.
It's not that we've never seen pennies before. We get distracted and we don't pay attention to the details of ordinary objects we deal with, and this is called encoding failure. Both adaptive forgetting and encoding failure work together because it helps narrow your focus.
The process of memory includes encoding, data input, storing, saving the data, and retrieval, accessing the data.
Another process of memory is called consolidation. Consolidation is a process in which you convert your short-term memory to your long-term memory, and that is fixed in your brain. If your memory is not encoded properly, then it will not be consolidated properly later on. Can we ever prove that something is completely forgotten?
Well, it is believed that no memory is permanently forgotten. Instead, it is temporarily unavailable. This can be shown by the importance of retrieval cues and because of interference of other memories.
If a certain memory is not revisited in a long period of time, then it becomes more difficult to access that memory later on. This is called decay. Over time, our memory is reconstructed and re-encoded.
Going back to our discussion question, we may never completely forget anything. Instead, our memory goes through processes like decay and interference.
There is so much more information about amnesia, forgetting, learning, and memory, and in this video, we only covered the basic concepts of forgetting and amnesia.
We hope this video helped you in the understanding of these concepts.
Stay tuned for more science facts from the Ofen Lab.